More businesses are returning to Solana to complete online transactions and enjoy the benefits of fast transactions per second, security, and ease of use. This makes the blockchain an appealing target for investors hoping to profit from its massive success. But exactly what is Solana, and is it a good investment? Hi, this is CryptoNow, and we are going to answer all of those questions as we discuss Solana and everything you need to know about it. But before we do, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to be notified of every upload. What exactly is Solana? Solana is a cryptocurrency project that aims to solve what is known as the blockchain trilemma. This is where a blockchain network is scalable, secure, and decentralized all at the same time. In other words, Solana wants to make blockchain applications faster and more secure while maintaining decentralization. While this may appear to be a simple task, it has been a major bottleneck in the crypto industry, with major coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum unable to accomplish all three simultaneously. This means that one of these three factors must be sacrificed for the others to flourish. For example, Bitcoin sacrifices transaction speed in exchange for greater security and decentralization. Solana's primary goal is to create the fastest blockchain possible, allowing investors and users to enjoy a more fluid crypto experience. Indeed, the blockchain claims to be the fastest in the industry so far. Solana, for example, was capable of supporting up to 50,000 transactions per second. TPS, with as little as 400 milliseconds of block time latency around June 2021. In comparison, Ethereum can only process 15 transactions per second, with each block taking 15 seconds instead of Solana's 400 milliseconds. Solana can create what is known as big block design. This is the point at which more transactions can be processed in a single block. Furthermore, Solana has lower transaction fees than Ethereum and most of the other blockchain networks. Anatoly Yakovenko founded the Solana blockchain in 2017 after several attempts at resolving Ethereum and Bitcoin's scalability issues. Anatoly devised a new consensus known as Proof of History, or POH, which significantly aids in automating blockchain transactions and resolving scalability issues to a reasonable degree. So, how does Solana solve the blockchain trilemma, and what distinguishes it from the competition? First, let's take a look at how blockchain works. Solana relies on 8 cutting-edge technologies to solve the blockchain trilemma. To keep things simple, we'll only discuss Proof of History consensus, which is unique to the Solana blockchain network. Solana's networking mechanism is fairly technical, so we'll try to avoid the jargon and break down the process in an easy-to-understand manner. To better understand how Solana works, you should first review what consensus is. Simply put, a consensus, such as POW, is a mechanism or process by which blockchain nodes agree on new transactions. Events must be ordered correctly for consensus to hold. You cannot, for example, use cryptocurrencies that have not yet received. However, here's how the Proof of History consensus works. First and foremost, transactions are recorded in the leader. The leader then sequences and orders the transaction messages correctly. This facilitates the processing of messages by other nodes. The leader then executes transactions in the current state, which is typically stored in computer RAM. Following the execution, the leader will publish the transactions and final stage signature to replication nodes, also known as verifiers. After receiving confirmation, the verifiers perform the same transactions on their copies of the state and then publish their state signatures. Finally, the publicly available confirmations will serve as votes for the POH consensus algorithm. Let's now discuss the SOL token. On the Solana blockchain, the SOL token is used for a variety of purposes. There are 489 million SOL tokens, but only 260 million have been released into the market. These include making micropayments such as LAN ports, staking, running, and authenticating the output of chained programs. The tokens were distributed as follows. In the initial seed sale, 16.23% were sold. A founding sale accounted for 12.92% of the total. Solana team members received 12.79% of the total. The Solana Foundation received 10.46% of the proceeds. The remaining tokens are made available to the market for public or private sale. Hello there, pal. We hope you are enjoying this video so far. If you do, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and please feel free to leave a comment down below. Let's now discuss how to invest in Solana. You can invest in Solana in a variety of ways. The following are two of the most common: investing for the long term, investing for the short term. We usually recommend combining holding and trading for the best experience if you have the time and resources. Otherwise, you are free to use whichever one you believe is the most effective for you. Let's take a quick look at how you can make money with Solana using either of these methods. Method 1. Investing in Solana for the long term. If you are new to trading and find it too complicated or time-consuming, we recommend that you begin by holding. Holding is the process of purchasing Solana SOL tokens, transferring them to an off-exchange wallet, and then waiting for the price to rise before selling them again. Depending on how much profit you want, holding can take several years. For example, you can hold your Solana tokens for up to 10 years, or even 15 years. The most ardent crypto holders, according to reports, will not sell until the underlying asset achieves commendable mainstream adoption. Otherwise, if you are not in a hurry, you can wait for about 5 years. But how lucrative is holding? Let's assume you buy SOL now and sell it in 5 years when the price is at $750, as predicted by Wallet Investor. Based on the current market price, a $1,500 investment yields approximately 10 tokens. If you sell those tokens in 5 years, you will have made approximately $7,500. Not bad for an investment that doesn't require constant monitoring. However, if you do not want to wait more than 5 years, you might want to consider trading. Method 2. Short-term Solana trading. Trading Solana is a good idea if you don't want to be waiting for years before you see any profit. You're looking for something to supplement your long-term investment. You want profit without purchasing the underlying asset. There are several trading platforms and exchanges where you can trade Solana, but for the best experience, you should try eToro in general. In general, there are 2 ways to trade Solana. They are as follows: trading with CFDs, contract for difference, or purchasing from an exchange. CFD trading allows you to speculate on the price of SOL without actually purchasing it. A contract for difference is a type of contract in which you agree to exchange the difference in the price of the underlying cryptocurrency when you open and close a position. For example, if you open a long position and the price of SOL rises, you profit. However, if the price falls, you lose money. CFD trading allows you to profit regardless of whether the price rises or falls. Alternatively, you can trade by purchasing SOL at a low price and selling it higher. So you now understand how to invest in Solana by trading or holding. Is it, however, a wise investment? Let's find out. Is Solana a reliable investment? While the price of Solana has fallen from its all-time high, some crypto experts believe it is still a good investment. According to the price predictions, there is a good chance that the token will reach $200 by the end of the year. This means that several price analysts believe Solana will surpass its all-time high before the end of the year. However, given Solana's revolutionary technology, we believe it will be a great investment in the future. The rapid price movement makes it an excellent long-term investment as well as a gem for day traders. According to The Motley Fool, Solana may be crypto's hidden gem. With only a few investors recognizing its future potential, the blockchain is quickly gaining mainstream acceptance, with several high-profile companies utilizing it for faster, more secure, and decentralized online transactions. Its use of proof-of-stake and proof-of-history consensus algorithm makes it one of the fastest blockchains and a much-needed utility for businesses. Furthermore, because of the POS mechanism, the more money you put into the network's liquidity pool, the more money you get in the form of rewards. This alone makes Solana an appealing investment option. Apart from the allure of its innovative technology, Solana is also working hard to ensure that it is both a reliable blockchain technology for its users and a profitable asset for its investors. Solana, for example, partnered with Circle, one of the largest online payment systems, in October 2020 to enable faster payment processing using the USDC stablecoin. Solana's robust ecosystem of fast payments and blockchain-based financial applications benefits Circle in return. Furthermore, Digital Assets AG now provides tokenized stocks on Solana. Tokenized stocks make it simple for investors worldwide to gain access to the US stock market and purchase fractional shares rather than whole shares. This increases the network's credibility and increases the value of its native tokens as it is exposed to more use cases. In addition, Solana's association with $100 trillion stock market exposes it to a massive opportunity to increase its market share and attract more investors. So, in general, we believe Solana will be an excellent addition to your portfolio in the future. However, because Solana is a cryptocurrency and a volatile one, we cannot guarantee that you will get your money's worth when you invest in it. So for the time being, you can observe the price action, conduct some research, and decide whether to hold or trade. That's it for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to be notified whenever we upload new videos. This is CryptoNow, and we will see you in our next video.